Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Nissan Altima battery, full guide. Park on level ground, set parking brake, and open the hood. Disconnect negative first, then positive. Remove old battery tray as needed, clean terminals, install new battery, secure clamps, reconnect positive first, then negative. Test engine start and interior electronics, check charging system at idle, and dispose of old battery at a recycling center. Wear gloves and eye protection. Gather tools before you begin to avoid delays and keep the process smooth. You will need a socket set, a 10 mm wrench, terminal cleaner, and protective gloves. Start by disconnecting the negative cable, then the positive cable, and remove the hold-down clamp. Lift the old battery straight up to avoid spills. Inspect the tray and cables, clean corrosion, and replace the battery with matching terminal orientation and reserve capacity. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: I found these leak-proof meal prep containers handy for bringing lunches to the garage. They save time and prevent mess. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Place the new battery in the tray and seat it flat to prevent vibration damage. Reattach the hold-down clamp and tighten just enough to prevent movement. Apply a thin layer of dielectric grease on terminals to slow corrosion. Reconnect the positive cable first, then the negative cable, and ensure connections are snug. Start the car and check headlights, radio, and charging voltage at idle to confirm the alternator is charging properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.